children, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, right? All of you are enjoying at home, learning many things, doing lots of activities, and at the same time you're learning also, right? I'm here with the second chapter, right? Second chapter, the name of the chapter is How the Dog Found Himself a New Master, right? How the dog found himself a new master. Already you know, but then also we had our class. So now through this PPT also you have to learn. This is a story about how a dog became a tame animal, right? This is a story about a dog became tame animal, right? How a dog became tame animal. What is the tame? Domestic animal, right? The dog of this chapter did not like to be his own master. The dog was very lazy. Previously dogs were in the jungle, and the dog did not like to be of his own master. He wanted to be a servant under a master, so that he need not to search food and need not to think about its protection. The dog was very sick, tired, wandering alone in search of food. So after that he wanted to have a master, and he wanted to be a servant of that master. Wanted to have a master for what? He wanted to have a master for searching food. He need not to search food. Master is there. Master will provide food to him. So because of that he wanted to have a master, Malik, owner, for protection also. The dog was very lazy to protect himself. He need not to think if master is there. If owner is there, he need not to think about searching food and his protection also. Now in this chapter we'll come to know the dog really got a master or not, and how the dog became tame. Clear? Characters: a dog, a wolf, a bear, a herd of cows, a lion, and a man. These many characters are there. Before we go through the chapter, we have to learn hard words, right? So hard words and meanings are also there. Ill-pleased, not happy. It's old-fashioned way to say not happy. Now we don't say, we say unhappy, but it is an old-fashioned way to say not happy. Kinsman, relative, old-fashioned word for a relative. Take up service with, become the servant of, servant of someone. Take up service with, become the servant, to work with someone, right? Darted means moved quickly or suddenly. Come over you, what affected you? Come over you, what affected you? What happened? Is there any reason? Like that. Cliff, a steep, high rock, often at the edge of the sea. So at the edge of the sea you can see the rock. That part is called cliff. Dared, To be brave to do something. To be brave to do something. Dared. How dare you could say like that. We say na, how dare you are. You are talking like this way, like that. Dare to be brave to do something. Eat our fill. Satisfy our hunger. Eat our fill. Nice phrase. You can use in your daily life also. Eat our fill. Eat our fill. Satisfy our hunger. Eat my fill. If it is there, then what you will say? To satisfy my hunger, right? Masters, owners, goodbye. Take leave of. Goodbye. To take leave. Thank you. So, this is all about the first chapter of second chapter, first part. After that, in our second video, we'll come to know how the dog became a tame animal or domestic animal, or we'll come to know did the dog get a master or not. Thank you. Be safe, be happy, help your mom, listen to them, take good advices from them. Take care. Bye.